Ever wondered how to create body scrubs that actually make your skin feel like silk and smell absolutely divine? You know the kind of luxurious scrubs you'd pay big bucks for at a spa, but crafted by you with safe, natural ingredients you trust? Let me tell you, I've put together something amazing for you. It's my Body Scrub Mastery ebook, and it's not just another recipe booklet. This is your complete step-by-step guide to making professional-grade scrubs that wow people. You'll get 100 fully tested formulas for every skin type, every mood, every season. Salt scrubs, sugar scrubs, emulsified scrubs that rinse clean with no oily mess, creamy whipped scrubs that feel like dessert for your skin. It's all in here. And I know you're not just making this for yourself. Maybe you want to start your own beauty brand, or add new products to your spa, or just give the best handmade gifts ever. This ebook is designed for makers, formulators, and serious scrub lovers who want real results and real profit potential. And don't worry if you're a beginner. I break down everything from understanding your ingredients to professional tips on scenting, coloring, and packaging your scrubs beautifully. It's like having a private formulation class you can revisit anytime. So if you've been thinking about stepping up your scrub game, this is your sign. Your blueprint is right here. Ready to dive in? Grab your copy of Body Scrub Mastery today and start making scrubs that truly stand out. You'll find the link below. Can't wait to see what you create. 100 formulas, endless creativity. Your Body Scrub Mastery starts now.